Critical update for Shib. Let's go through the details. You guys know we've been around Shib for a very long time. Want to shout out to Angel in the top right, $58,000 contributor. We're going to talk about the details in terms of the technicals. Smash the like button if you guys want Shib to rock and roll in terms of the price action. Or if you trade Shib, let us know. It's very important in terms of what we spend our time on in terms of these videos. It's London with Crypto Kingdom, a Bitcoin spike. Guys, Shib could be just about to break out of a very important pattern. Let's look at this in terms of the requirements for a bull pennant. Guys, a bull pennant is a run to the upside. Then we have a nice consolidation in the form of a symmetrical triangle. It looks like Shib is just about to break out of this move. We would expect a repeat of the move to the upside, guys, to this to the top line formation. We're going to measure this out in terms of what that would be, but nice price action. I did encourage Angel to double down into this area and bam on that 78.6 right now from that 78.6. Mr. Matos, you are currently up about 64%. If you doubled down even more and taken at the top, I am not surprised, although I'm continually impressed. I'll say that 5.17% to the upside now in terms of the overall price action today, 5.17%. Let's discuss what's going to be required for this breakout of the bull pennant. I know you guys like to trade. This is we're going to go through some details, and then if you would just have some patience with this process, I'd appreciate it, just listening through the entirety of this tape if you can. Now, in terms of this expressed resistance, okay, do look at the candle wicks. You have a little bit of variability in terms of this resistance, okay? It's going to have told you that you've already essentially gotten over the top on the candle wicks one time, okay? On one occasion here, you've already gotten up over the candle wick, so it looks like that has occurred again. I'm just going to recommend that you guys draw up and over this specific second, let's say the preceding breakout, and just be prepared to operate in line with what, guys? In line with a breakout, not only a breakout, but a confirmation. We want a confirmation over that resistance, and this is what it's going to involve. Let's just get through the details in terms of what it's going to entail, what it would require. Okay, in terms of a confirmation, what is required, and for purposes of simplicity, I will go ahead and draw to the lines on the 4 hourly. That's going to be expressive of a very solid time frame. Okay, you're going to see variation if we go into the lower time frames. That'll be covered by the wicks. But let's just talk about on the 4 hourly as we would discuss the requirements for a breakout and a confirmation. Essentially, what is being discussed or what is being referred to there is in line with this move to the upside. In line with this pennant formation, we're going to require that we break through the resistance, okay, and that we reconfirm on the prior resistance, turning it into support, buyer stepping in, and boom, then moving to the upside, okay? So that's what we refer to when we say confirmation. Break prior resistance up through and then reconfirm that prior resistance as support. Just this is a quick draw, guys, but as support, and then boom, move to the upside. In this momentum area, that's when really, guys, the trading action, when the price action gets solidly put together with some velocity that can actually move your money, that can actually create those profits in a very short order. That's what we look forward to when we think of trading and price action, that high velocity, those high velocity trades. So let's just review real quickly. Yeah, about 4.87, right at 5%. And we're backing off that level of resistance again. That's happened before. What is this about? Quad op 3107. Okay, so 40 is 3107, and we're going to look for correlatives always with Bitcoin and the overall, just kind of the overall market mover, guys. You understand that. But it is Shib is unto itself. We're looking for a potential, okay, inverse head and shoulders here. Potential for an inverse head and shoulders here. And we'll just discuss that with a reasonable level of measurement on that head formation. And you guys understand, head and shoulders is easy. Look at this, guys. Left shoulder, head formation, right shoulder, right? You get it. The shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, okay? It's just that is a very standard feature. It's a reversal pattern, okay? That's a reversal pattern, and we're looking to see an inverse head and shoulders play out to the upside on Shib. Were we to complete this on Shib, let me measure this real quickly. Really nice, huge move to the upside, potentially indicated, and you guys know this is literally the home for Shib. I just got to tell you, we hit the first bull pennant in the market, brought that to the VIP, and the second bull pennant for 2021. It's just been consistent. This is the place to be for Shib. So trillion Shib, that's the whole idea, right? So as we look at this, a potential move to the upside of about 56% to that quad at 40, what is that, 48? Look at 48.55, yeah, 48.58 there and abouts. That would be the target move potential to the upside. I'm going to go ahead and mark that, delineate that with a horizontal line function, and I will lock that down just so that we know that we covered that in stream. Okay, if we go to the candle wicks, it's going to be more aggressive, but let's lock that down. In terms of Shib, we like the overall ecosystem that's been generated. We want to keep positive things in the framework for 2022. If you guys trade a lot, I'm going to recommend that you guys hit the join button, okay? Hit the join button after you subscribe and turn on notifications. Turn on all notifications on all. We cover other coins, of course, Bitcoin, of course. We cover a lot of the strategy and a lot of the technical analysis, pardon me, guys, that you'll cover in and use in your own framework of the coins of your choice. Easy for me to say, right? In terms of the VIP membership, guys, in the back, just want to let you know we have these back rooms. They are full of signals, full of just the top traders. I want to shout out to like Luke, for instance. Luke, I hope you're doing well, brother, with the family, etc. Vlad, I hope you're doing well, brother. Hope everything's going well with those trades. Josh, our $1 million champ, hope everything is going well with you. Earned $1 million, and I appreciate you giving me the credit, guys. That's very nice in terms of that for that $1 million. Carlos Caribe, we just have a great group in the back that are full throttle, guys, in terms of their approach to the market. And we just would invite you to join that base campus for people who want to get started with the community. Let us know you belong. When you show up in the chats for a live stream, we'll all know, hey, it's, for instance, Jeffrey Porter. Nice to have you, etc. But you'll have a badge. It'll let us know that you belong. That restricted zone is for those restricted rooms in the back for people who want advanced kind of instructions or signals, etc. In line with the best I can do. I'm a former financial professional. It's not financial advice, but guys, we really respect the people who want to be a part of and commit to the back group, the top shelf membership. We just want people who belong. So if you feel like you belong and you want to be part of a trade group, whether or not you're blue collar or white collar, the main ingredient is that you want to beat the market. That's our real requirement. So as we would look at Shib, guys, I'm not surprised that we're seeing positive price action. I'd just like to see more of it. I know you would too. Again, smash the like button. Leave me a comment too. Let me know what you guys would like to see more videos of as we continue to build in the crypto space for 2022. We're just going to do so with Angel at the top. We're going to say that top contributor and $1,000 super chat king, just a good brother. I'll say that, and much love to you, brother. And hope that you're all doing really well. All the VIPs in the back, just we're keeping an eye on Shib. We're going to get it, guys. We're going to get this one. I'm going to tell you that. That's my final statement on Shib. We're going to get this one, and I just hope you guys are going after the market like that each and every day. And it's fun when we can do this all together, guys. We'll talk to you soon. This is London with Crypto Kingdom and Bitcoin.